cheddar, got it. Good brain, college, good brain. Her frame, body, her frame, Musain, body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved the wet look on my Brazilian waterway bundles. The look is super cute and it's super easy, so if you want to learn how to do it yourself, just keep on watching. Some of the things you'll need include water and the spray bottle. This step is optional, but if you want the look to last longer, I recommend using any kind of leave-in conditioner. And last but not least, you'll need either a wide tooth comb or a dimming brush. So right now I'm just taking my spray bottle and I'm wetting a section of my hair. It's only water in this spray bottle. I didn't use leave-in conditioner in this video. But like I said, if you want the look to last, I recommend using leave-in conditioner. Okay, so now I'm going through this section of hair with my wide tooth comb in order to bring out the curls. You can use a dimming brush if you like. I just prefer to use a wide tooth comb on this type of hair. So after I finish combing through the hair, I'm just going to spray it again with water and make sure I get the ends wet. And I'm just going to scrunch up the hair to finish it off. Now that that section is done, I'm just going to repeat the steps throughout my whole head. Alright y'all, so this is the final product. I didn't show it in this video because my camera died, but I just want to let you guys know that I did go back and add some leave-in conditioner to my hair because I just wanted the look to last a little bit longer. Also, I got this hair from AliExpress, and if you guys want to know the details about this hair, I'll leave the link in the description below. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you beautiful ladies in my next video. Bye!